In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Mautic list. First, open your Mautic login page. Once you see the sign-in screen, enter your account credentials and click Login to reach the dashboard. From the left navigation, open Segments. In Mautic, a segment is essentially your contact list, and this is where you define who should be included based on the criteria you choose. Your interface may look slightly different depending on your Mautic version, but the process is the same. On the Segments page, click New to create a fresh segment. Start by giving it a clear, descriptive name so teammates immediately understand what this list is for, such as newsletter subscribers or recent webinar attendees. Next, fill in the alias. This is a machine-friendly identifier used behind the scenes and in URLs. Keep it short, lowercase, and without spaces or special characters. Hyphens or underscores work well. Add the public name. This is what contacts may see in preference centers or subscription pages, so write it in plain language they'll recognize. Then add a brief description. Use this to capture the purpose of the list and any rules that define membership. Good descriptions make maintenance and handoffs much easier later on. Choose a category from the drop-down to keep assets organized across Mautic. If your taxonomy calls for it, you can also create a new category on the fly. Adjust visibility to control who within your organization can access this segment, and set the segment to active if you want Mautic to start building and updating it immediately. Inactive is useful when you're drafting or reviewing criteria before going live. Move to the Filters tab to define who belongs in the list. Pick the fields and conditions that match your goal. For example, you can filter by operating system to include contacts who use Android. You can add multiple filters and combine them to be as broad or as specific as you need. As you add filters, think about whether you want an ongoing, dynamic list or a very targeted slice for a single campaign. Mautic keeps segments updated as your contact data changes, so you can rely on filters to stay current over time. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. Mautic will process your criteria and begin populating the segment based on your database. Depending on the size of your database, the first build may take a moment. You can revisit this segment at any time to refine the name, visibility, or filters as your strategy evolves. And that's how to create a list in Mautic, ready to power campaigns, automations, and reports.